Constraint. It is the rule given to a column for a validation. Types of constraint: unique, not null, check, primary key, foreign key. Unique. It is used to avoid duplicate values into the column. Unique means when we don't want a repetitive data in the column, like in example employee ID or a phone number, then we must mention a constraint not unique. Not null, it is used to avoid a null. When we don't want to keep any cells empty, then we should mention a constraint not null. Check, it is an extra validation with the condition. Primary key, it is a constraint which is used to identify a record uniquely from the table. For example, primary key is a combination of not null and unique. There we have a employee ID and a phone number, two attributes with the combination of not null and unique. But in a primary key, in one single table we can have only one primary key. It is either a employee ID or a phone number, so that we can get based on an employee ID, name, salary, date of joining or a phone number. Foreign key is used to establish a connection between the tables. Here there is the example of three tables. Primary key of a parent table is always be a foreign key for a child table. It is a not combination of a not null and a unique. We can have a multiple foreign key in a single table. Difference between primary key and foreign key. Primary key, it is used to identify a records uniquely from the table. Foreign key, it is used to establish a connection between the tables. Primary key, it cannot accept null value. Foreign key, it can accept null value. Primary key, it cannot accept duplicate values. Foreign key, it can accept duplicate values. It is always be a combination of not null and unique. But in foreign key, it is not a combination of null value and a unique constant. We can have only one primary key in a table. In foreign key, we can have multiple foreign key in a table.